Good Friday morning, everybody. Meteorologist Jonathan Condor here. It is an alert day, hence the red icons. Why? Because of very high winds. Okay, so when will those winds hit? By 10 a.m., they're going to start gusting over 40 miles an hour. Gusts for OKC, potentially over 60 to 65 miles an hour. We're going to have blowing dust, some minor wind damage. We're going to have some power bumps or power outages. Temperatures will be in the 60s. We'll have a high of 70 for today. The highest winds will be the counties highlighted in red. That is our high wind warning. That's for gusts 55 to 65 miles an hour. Not as windy, but still windy. In southeastern Oklahoma, wind advisory for gusts 40 to 50 miles an hour. So again, fire danger. It's extreme for today. The impact to OKC, we will have blowing dust. There may be some minor wind damage, and then of course some power outages. The highest winds will be along and north of I-44 in purple. That's where I would have gusts 65 miles an hour. Isolated 70 cannot be ruled out. During the day, it's mostly a southwest wind. It will shift to the west this evening, then the northwest later tonight. Highs today will be in the 70s and the 60s. There's actually a low chance of rain out in the panhandle. Severe weather off to our east. Let me help your plan your weekend. Again, today we're literally blown away. Tomorrow's cloudy, colder. Best I can do is a high 58. I think Sunday is better. South winds late and then highs into the 60s. Okay, so what do you got to do? Just come pay me a visit. 4:30, 7 o'clock this morning. I'll have everything you need to know. We'll get very specific about the winds, the timing. Even next week, spring break starts off very warm. You don't want to miss your updated 5+5 day forecast.